Hello friends, do you want to know how to put a latex balloon figurine inside a Bobo balloon? So let's get started. Before inflating Bobo balloon, I stretch the seam of the balloon well. I stretch the seam from the balloon neck. I stretch the seam every 2 centimeters. Look, the whole seam has become wavy. After that, I stretch Bobo balloon out horizontally and vertically. For better stretching of the Bobo balloon, you can stretch it diagonally as well. Now I inflate Bobo balloon and see that it is perfectly symmetrical. Now, from a latex yellow balloon, I will make a chicken shape and put it inside a Bobo balloon. To begin with, I pre-inflate a 12-inch yellow balloon. From the remains of balloons for modeling size to 160, I make a crest for a chicken. I fill the balloons with air, but I don't inflate them. Then I tie all these balloons together, make a knot and cut off the extra part. Now I inflate a yellow balloon, apply a bunch of balloons to the top of the balloon, push through, pull out the knot from the back side and fix it with a balloon for modeling. Now I'm going to make a so-called temporary chicken shape for clarity. I put a 5-inch balloon inside the yellow balloon and inflate it with 7 pumps. Then I put a 12-inch balloon and inflate it with 12 pumps. I made this temporary figurine for clarity to show the place where I will glue the beak of a chicken. I'm making a beak of a piece of orange balloon for modeling, size 360. I put 2 soft decorative balls inside the balloon and glue the beak with a hot glue gun to the chicken. Now I mark the places for the chicken's eye and glue to blue soft decorative balls. So, the face of the chicken is ready. Now I cut the inner balloons, let the air out of them and pull them out of a large yellow balloon. Now I put a deflated balloon inside a Bobo balloon and fill it in a similar way with a 5-inch and 12-inch balloons. I cut off the tails of the inner balloons of the figure and release excess air from the yellow balloon. The air can be released by pressing your hand on the inner balloons, using a plastic tube or a cocktail tube. Now I inflate Bob balloon to its factory size, tie the nose with a modeling balloon, and then cut off the neck of the yellow balloon, stretch the neck of the Bobo balloon and make two knots. For the basis of the composition, I make a patch of 4 green balloons. I calibrate each balloon on 23 centimeters. Then I tie a 5-inch balloon filled with water. Next, I bind the Bobo balloon to the base and attach a blue balloon for modeling size to 160 to the base. It symbolizes the sky. I make grass out of 2 green balloons for modeling size to 160 and 160. I tie balloons, twist them in half, and fix them under the Bobo balloon. Finally, I glue the balloon decor with double-sided adhesive tape. I glue to a Bobo balloon, butterfly, flowers, and from the remains of green balloons for modeling, I made and glued additional grass. A light and beautiful composition of balloons is ready. Thank you for watching us.